Welcome. If you want to make sure that only specific people can open a folder in your Google Drive and keep it locked down from everyone else, even if they have the link, this updated guide is for you. Let's walk through the simple steps to restrict access and keep your files secure. First, open Google Drive and locate the folder you want to secure. You can do this on your computer or mobile device, whichever you prefer. Once you've found the folder, look for the three dots next to its name. This is the More Actions menu, and it's your gateway to managing who can see and open your folder. Tap on those three dots, and from the menu that appears, select Manage Access. This is where you control exactly who gets in and who stays out. Inside the Manage Access screen, you'll see a section called General Access. Tap on this option. By default, your folder might be set so that anyone with the link can view it, or maybe it's open to everyone in your organization. But for tighter security, you want to change this setting. Choose Restricted. When you select Restricted, only people you directly add to the folder will be able to open it and see its contents. Even if someone else has the link, they won't be able to access anything inside unless you've given them permission. To add people, simply enter their email addresses in the Add People and Groups field. You can set their role as viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what you want them to do. Once you've added everyone who needs access, hit Send or Done. That's it. Your folder is now locked down. Only the people you've added can open it, and everyone else, even those with the link, will be blocked from seeing what's inside. This is the best way to keep sensitive files private while still collaborating with your chosen team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more tips on staying organized and secure in Google Drive.